Hello everyone. You're welcome in Forum IES Prelims 2021 Phase 2 Part 2. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. The credit of this video goes to Forum IES. Hello guys. In the last video, we have discussed up to question number 33. In this video, we will start discussion from question number 34. With reference to the ancient history of India, the term Theris refers to. The correct answer of question number 34 is A. Respected women who attained liberation following the path of Buddha. Many women who entered the Buddhist Sangha became teachers of Dhamma and went on to become Theris, or respective women who had attained liberation. The next question is question number 35. Optoelectronics, which have been in the news recently. Which of the following are the application of optoelectronics? Solar cells, light emitting diodes, optical fiber. The correct answer of question number 35 is D. All the options are correct. What is solar cell? Solar cell. It is a photovoltaic cell which directly converts light into electricity. What is light emitting diodes? It is a light. It emits light when current flows through it. What is optical fiber? Where data is transmitted in the form of light particles or photons that pulse through a fiber optic cable. The next question is question number 36. Consider the following statement with regard to literary evidences of existence of ideas alternative to Brahmanical ideas mentioned in Dharma Sutras or in Manusmriti. Mrit Chakratika, a play written by Sudrakar, describes its protagonist as both as Brahman and a merchant. Matang Jataka, story of Bodhisattva who is identified as an outcast, Chandal. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 36 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 37. Consider the following statement. Worship of images of Buddha is part of Hinayana Buddhism. Vajrayana Buddhism includes tantric practices. The correct answer of question number 37 is B. 2 only. Vajrayana Buddhism include tantric practices. And in the first statement, worship of images of Buddha and Bodhisattvas is a part of Mahayana, not the Hinayana Buddhism. The next question is question number 38. Consider the following pair of terms mentioned in the Sangam literature and their meanings. Term Arasar, Ujjahar, Adimai. Description ruling class, slaves, ploughman. The correct answer of question number 38 is B. 1 only. Arasar is ruling class and ploughman. Ploughman was called Ujjahar and slaves were called Adimai. The next question is question number 39. Consider the following statements. Taxation in the Doab, introduction of token currency, transfer of capital. Which among the following rulers introduced the administrative reforms mentioned above? Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Tipu Sultan, Samasuddin Iltutmish, Qutbuddin Aibak. The correct answer of question number 39 is A. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Heavy taxation in Doab, introduction of token currency, and transfer of capital. The next question is question number 40. Recently in news, proton therapy is related to. The correct answer of question number 40 is A. Use of protons to treat cancers. The next question is question number 41. Consider the following statement with regard to coins in ancient India. Coins were first minted much after the decline of Mauryan Empire in India. The Indo-Greek were the first to issue coins with names and images of rulers. Gold coins were first used by the Gupta rulers. Which of the statements given above is are correct? The correct answer of question number 41 is B. 2 only. The Indo-Greek were the first to use coins with names and images of rulers. The first coin to bear the name and images of rulers were issued by the Indo-Greeks. The next question is question number 42. Consider the following terms associated with Ashokan inscription and their meanings. Pattivedakas, Devanampiya, Dhamma Mahatma, a reporter of the affairs of the people to the king, a priest, a special officer for spreading the message of Dhamma. The correct answer of question number 42 is B. 1 and 3 are correct. The next question is question number 43. Consider the following statement with regard to the history of ancient India from 600 BC onwards. Majority of ruling dynasties followed the patrilineal succession to the throne. Atharvaveda supported matrilineal system of succession to the throne. And Manusmriti lays down codes of social behavior. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 43 is B. 1 and 3 only. Manusmriti lay down codes of behavior and majority of ruling dynasties followed the patrilineal succession to the throne. The next question is question number 44. Consider the following statement regarding social traditions related to access to wealthy and property in the ancient Indian society. Women were not allowed to stake claim in her paternal estate. One was a criterion for regulating access to wealth in the society. The correct answer of question number 44 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 45. Which of the following countries are the members of the SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization? India, Pakistan, China and Russia. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 45 is D. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the options are correct. What is SCO? SCO is a Eurasian political, economic and military organization. It have total 8 member states. All are China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, India and Pakistan. The next question is question number 46. Consider the following pairs: Sufi teachers and location of Dargah. Nasruddin Muhammad Chirag Delhi, Sheikh Moinuddin Chishti Ajodhan, Sheikh Faruddin Ganje Shankar Ajmer. The correct answer of question number 46 is A. 1 only. Nasruddin Muhammad Chirag Dehelvi is in Delhi. And Sheikh Muinuddin Chishti location of Dargah is Ajmer in Rajasthan. And Sheikh Faruddin Ganj Shakar is located in Ajodhan in Pakistan. The next question is question number 47. With reference to the medieval Indian society, the term Mleccha referred to. The correct option of question number 47 is B. Migrant communities who spoke languages that were not derived from Sanskrit. The correct answer. The next question is question number 48. Consider the following statement. The Prem Akhyan Padmavat was composed by Malik Muhammad Jaisi. The Sufis accepted unsolicited grants and donations from the political elites. The correct answer of question number 48 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 49. With reference to the Kabir, consider the following statement. He was a Nirguna saint who believed in formless supreme God. Many of his compositions are found in the Adi Granth Sahib. The correct answer of question number 49 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 50. Consider the following statement with regard to the non-permanent member of United Nations Security Council. There are 10 non-permanent members of the UNSC. United Nations General Assembly elects all the permanent members every year. The non-permanent seats are distributed on regional basis. The correct answer of question number 50 is B. 1 and 3 are correct. The next question is question number 51. In the late 50th century, Shankardev emerged as one of the leading proponents of Vaishnavism in which of the following state? The correct answer of question number 51 is B. Assam. In the late 50th century, Shankardev emerged as one of the leading proponents of Vaishnavism in Assam. The next question is question number 52. Consider the following pairs, text and associated with. Kashf ul Mazhab, Mulfuzat, Maktubat, Tazkiras. Sufi thought and practices, collection of letters, conversations of Sufi saints, biographical accounts of saints. The correct answer of question number 52 is B. 1 and 4 all is correct. The next question is question number 53. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the Vijayanagara Empire? Vijayanagara rulers were followers of the god Virupaksha. The empire was founded in 40th century. They did not use mortar or any other cementing agent for construction of fortification walls. The correct answer of question number 53 is D. 1, 2 and 3. The next question is question number 54. With reference to the administration of the Delhi Sultanate, consider the following statement. The territory was divided into iktas which were directly maintained by the Sultan. The ikta was initially transferable but was made hereditary during the reign of Firoz Tughlaq. The correct answer of question number 54 is B. 2 only. The ikta was initially transferable but was made hereditary during the reign of Firoz Tughlaq. The next question is question number 55. Consider the following statement related to constitutional provisions with regard to the removal of judges of the Supreme Court. They can be removed only on the ground of proved misbehavior. The motion for the removal is passed by special majority in each of the houses of parliament. The correct answer of question number 55 is D. 2 only. The motion for the removal is passed by special majority in each of the houses of the parliament. The next question is question number 56. Consider the following statement regarding Brahmanical theory. Jati, like Varna, was based on birth. While there is a restriction on the number of Varnas, there was no restriction on the number of Jatis. The correct answer of question number 56 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 57. Consider the following pairs of places and their association with life of Buddha. Places: Lumbini, birth of Buddha; Kushinagar, Buddha attained enlightenment; Sarnath, Buddha gave his first sermon; Bodh Gaya, Buddha attained nirvana. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? The correct answer of question number 57 is A. Only 1 and 3 is correctly matched. He was born in Lumbini. He attained enlightenment at Bodh Gaya. He gave his first sermon in Sarnath. Buddha attained nirvana in Kushinagar. The next question is question number 58. Which of the following statements with regard to the practice of untouchability in the ancient India is incorrect? People who were considered being outside the one system were considered as untouchables. Certain activities considered polluting were to be performed by Sudras. Manusmriti laid down the duties of the Chandalas. Chinese pilgrim Xuanzang observed that executioners and scavengers were forced to live outside the city. The correct answer of question number 58 is B. Certain activities considered polluting were to be performed by Sudras. The next question is question number 59. Consider the following statement with regard to the Harappan civilization. Grains found at Harappan sites include wheat, barley, chickpea and lentil. Domestication of animals like cattle, sheep, goat and buffalo was practiced. Harappan flooded and irrigated their agriculture field. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 59 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 60. Consider the following statement with regard to the centrally sponsored scheme. They are related to the sectors that fall in the state and concurrent list of the Constitution. It is not compulsory for the state to participate in any of the centrally sponsored schemes. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 60 is A. 1 only. They are related to the sectors that fall in the state and concurrent list of the Constitution. The next question is question number 61. Consider the following pairs of Buddhist texts and their focus area. Texts: Vinaya Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka, Abhidhamma Pitaka. Rules and regulations for those who joined the monastic order. Philosophical matters, Buddhist teachings. The correct answer of question number 61 is A. 1 only. Vinaya Pitaka is rules and regulations for those who joined the monastic order. The next question is question number 62. With reference to the ancient history of India, the term Kammakars refers to. The correct answer of question number 62 is A. Landless agriculture laborers. The next question is question number 63. Consider the following statement with regard to the caste system as proposed in Dhan Sutras and Dhan Shastras. They provided ideal occupation for 4 categories of Varnas. The occupation of agriculture, pastoralism and trade were assigned to Kshatris and Vaishyas. One order was considered to be of divine origin by the Brahmanas. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 63 is B. 1 and 3 only are correct. The next question is question number 64. Consider the following statement. Vardhaman Mahavira founded Jainism in the 6th century BCE. According to Jainism, one could free oneself from the cycle of karma only by renouncing the world. The correct answer of question number 64 is B. 2 only. According to Jainism, one could free oneself from the cycle of karma only by renouncing the world. The next question is question number 65. With regard to the Amravati School of Art, consider the following statement. It was patronized by the Satavahana rulers. It had influence of Hellenistic and Greek art features. The correct answer of question number 65 is A. 1 only. It in Amravati, situated in the eastern Deccan, a different type of art form evolved and flourished for nearly 6 centuries, commencing from 200 to 100 BC. The Amravati School of Art was patronized by Satavahanas. The next question and the last question of this video is question number 66. During the Indus Valley civilization, the figures made by using the lost wax techniques were. The correct answer of question number 66 is D. Bronze sculptures. Bronze casting was practiced on a wide scale under Harappan art, and lost wax technique is the process by which a duplicate metal sculpture is cast from an original sculpture. Okay guys, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.